Welcome to Pocket Tutorials. Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to learn how do you change language preferences in OpenShot. First things first, we need to go to Edit, then go to Preferences. As you can see in the General tab, you have the language option. From here, you can select the preferred language that you want. For example purpose, I will be choosing Italiano over here and then click on Close. It will ask me to restart OpenShot for all the preferences to take effect. I'll just go ahead and click on OK. Then I'll close OpenShot. Restart OpenShot. And you will be able to see it has already changed the language. Again, you will go to Preferences. I want to set it back to default language that I had. Click on, again, the first thing that you see over here. Click on that and click on OK. Restart OpenShot. It's back to its default language, which was English. Project files, transitions, effects, and everything. Thank you for joining us in this lecture. Hope to see you in the next one. Thank you. Congratulations on completing another lecture. If you do like this course, please leave a review. Helps us to improvise the course. Thank you so much.